utilizing an exercise called CARs, which stand for controlled articular rotations. All this means is we're going to learn to control our joints at their end range. This is great for assessing how well your joints move, but also helping to maintain good joint health and your full range of motion. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the neck and work our way down. For the neck, I think it's best to start in this kneeling position with your butt down onto your heels. It helps to lock out that low back so we don't get too much movement from there. I like to use a yoga block for this exercise. If you don't have a yoga block, you can use a foam roll, a paper towel roll, or just like a small throw pillow. So what you're going to do is you are going to hug that object to your chest. It helps to generate a little tension. I want you to think about activating your core muscles, activating your glute muscles. This is really going to keep all the other joints from moving so we can isolate the joints we're trying to work on, which is going to be the neck. I'm going to talk you through this first one, and then I'll kind of show you in real time what it will look like. So go ahead, create that tension throughout your body, squeeze that yoga block or object to your chest, and you are going to take your chin as far down to your chest as you can. Swipe it along your collarbone as far as you can. Start to dump your brains out your ear, over your shoulder, as much as you can. Slowly start to let that head rotate, eyes come to the ceiling, all the way through. Brains start to come out your other ear, over your shoulder, chin to your outer collarbone, and swipe back down. So I would have you do that exact motion 2 times each direction. It would look like this in real time. Tension, chin to collarbone. So go ahead and give that a try. One important piece of information is if you are getting any pinching sensations with this, you want to avoid that motion. So just kind of back off, avoid that spot, and then move on throughout the rest of the cycle. If you are getting pinching, all that means is your joint isn't moving as well as your joint should. Sometimes as you continue doing this, it can get better on its own. Otherwise, sometimes it will take a little bit more with different exercises to get that pinch to go away. Otherwise, go ahead and give that a try, and now we'll